So, like I say, you always try and anchor, right, and make the constant the same. This is not a constant. So we try and make this a constant. So when we try and make it a constant, what we're going to do is actually multiply this side by 1 over e 1 over e 2x, right? So if you multiply the top with 1 over e 2x, here has to be 1 over e 2x as well. Okay? So now when I multiply this case here, very simply, this will be a constant when you expand it in. This guy will be a constant. But the problem now is, it's not just the numerator's constant. This 7 also has to be a constant. Make sense? If this 7 has to be a constant, you are multiplying this with 1 over 2x, right? You not get a constant. What? You know what I'm saying? So what you should do is, because you want this 7 to be a constant, what I would suggest is you break this to this 1 over 2x, right? To 1 over ex times 1 over ex. You multiply 1 enough, really. You don't need 2. Just 1. My whole game plan here is just to make the constant a constant. The same on both sides. Okay? So now once this is done, I'm going to just multiply this in. So this is 2 over e2x plus. Then I'm damn happy because it's just 9. And this will just be 1 over ex. 7 minus 1 over ex. Okay? So similarly, now, not just the top and bottom, also this 4 here has to be a constant. Okay, this 4 here has to be a constant. Because this is a x minus 4, right? So do you see that this one can multiply on this side, right? Because this is always positive. As long as something is for sure positive or for sure negative, you can just cross multiply. Ex is always positive. Ex is always positive. Okay? So you're okay, huh? You look very tired. So this is 1 over ex bigger than 0. Okay, ma? Okay, huh? So this is obviously, so that's why you can cross multiply. Then it's safe to cross multiply because you know for sure it's positive. So once this is done, I'm just going to rearrange nicely. This is 2e 2x. So I think from here we can really tell what is the then this will be 4. I don't want to skip step, but you want to skip step also can just basically since only can do this because ex is positive, 1 over ex is positive. So then from here, actually can just quickly, oh, did I do it wrongly? Yeah, so 4, yeah, good job. This is what? Ex, right? Yeah, got all the constants I need. Okay. So once you get all the constants you need, then obviously you can tell that you need to multiply by a -1 because this is a negative of each other. Actually, very, very straightforward. You can see that this is a substitute. Okay. So I am just going to multiply both sides -1. You can skip step. I'm not skipping step here because I am trying not to lose y'all. So I'm not skipping a lot of the steps here. But if you feel that, Mr. Gun, you're moving too slow, please, by all means, skip any step you feel like skipping. Then you need to flip this, obviously. This need to be flipped. Okay. Hence, replace x as 1 over ex. This is part 2, right? Am I moving too fast? Let me know if I'm moving too fast, okay? Yeah. Actually, you can reject from here lah. Don't have to reject here. Yeah, don't have to rewrite. Right. Okay. This one may be a bit confusing for you to see, but you can draw the diagram out if you want to. This is actually solving graphically like that. So 1 over ex is like that. 1 over e minus x is like that. So if you have got 1, this is 7, right? Then this will probably be minus 8.8. Oh, this is 8.8 or higher than that. This is 1. Okay, good job. So it looks like that. You can just put in your calculator. This is 1. This over here is 1 minus 1 plus root 83 is 8 point something. This is 7. So actually you're looking for this value here. You know I'm solving. Let me know if you're not sure. Because you want this region here. Okay, so this is the region here. This is x1 and x2. So the x should be, yeah, you can just do this. Okay. This is actually ln. This is okay. This is a proper way of solving inequalities. Look at the graph. But because this is always decreasing function, you can just ln both sides. Okay. But if you when this is sine curve or cosine curve, you really need to draw because it's not so straightforward. Yes. Second. Why is it this side? Is it? Oh, is it negative 8, right? Not 1. Okay, sorry. Did I say something? Negative 8. Did I wrote something? Say again? This one, huh? Oh, yeah, it's negative 8 plus square root 83. Oh, negative 8. Also, this is negative 8, is it? Why did I put a 1 there? Oh, because my brain farted. 1. So, oh, negative 8 is here, is it? Negative 8. It's actually, yeah, okay. So swap places. So this is negative 8 plus root 83. This is 7. So the solution that you want is here. Okay, here. So anyway, you can just ln both sides lah. It's okay. So ln. Then all the payment for the 3 marks. Negative, huh? There you go.